WireGuard, OpenVPN, or ZeroTier? Which VPN protocol should you actually use in 2025? They all connect networks securely, but they're designed for completely different purposes. Let's compare. WireGuard is a modern, lightweight VPN protocol built for speed and simplicity. It has just 4,000 lines of code, making it fast, secure, and easy to audit. Perfect for personal VPNs, remote access, and anyone who wants maximum performance. OpenVPN is the industry standard that's been around since 2001. It's highly configurable, works on every platform, and can tunnel through almost any firewall. Ideal for enterprises, complex network setups, and situations requiring maximum compatibility. ZeroTier isn't a traditional VPN, it's a software-defined networking platform that creates virtual mesh networks. Devices connect peer-to-peer as if they're on the same local network. Great for distributed teams, IoT devices, and game servers. Speed and performance, WireGuard is the fastest by a significant margin. Benchmarks show it's 3 to 4 times faster than OpenVPN with lower latency and less CPU usage. It runs in the Linux kernel, which makes it incredibly efficient. OpenVPN is slower because it runs in user space and has more overhead. ZeroTier is reasonably fast for peer-to-peer connections, but adds some latency for routing. For raw speed, WireGuard dominates. Security and encryption. All three are secure but differently. WireGuard uses modern cryptography. ChaCha20 for encryption, Curve 25519 for key exchange. Simple and auditable. OpenVPN supports multiple encryption methods, AES-256, RSA, and various ciphers, giving you flexibility but also complexity. ZeroTier uses AES-256 and SALSA20 with automatic key rotation. Security-wise, all are solid. WireGuard's simplicity makes it easier to verify there are no vulnerabilities. Setup and configuration. WireGuard wins on simplicity. Configuration is just a few lines of text. Generate keys, set up peers, done. OpenVPN requires certificate management, config files, and multiple steps. It's powerful but complex. ZeroTier is the easiest for non-technical users. Install the client, join a network with a single ID, and you're connected. No port forwarding needed. For beginners, ZeroTier is simplest. For power users, WireGuard is straightforward. Compatibility and firewall traversal, OpenVPN can tunnel over TCP port 443, which means it works through almost any firewall, even restrictive corporate networks. WireGuard uses UDP only, which can be blocked in some environments. ZeroTier uses UDP but includes NAT traversal and relay servers, so it works even behind strict firewalls. For maximum compatibility, OpenVPN wins. For ease of connectivity, ZeroTier handles NAT best. Use cases. WireGuard excels at point-to-point VPNs, connecting your phone to home network, securing public Wi-Fi, or linking two offices. OpenVPN is best for traditional enterprise VPNs with centralized servers and client access. ZeroTier shines for mesh networking, connecting multiple devices globally without a central server, game servers, remote IoT management, different tools for different jobs. Choose WireGuard if you want the fastest, most modern VPN for personal use or simple remote access. Choose OpenVPN if you need maximum compatibility, enterprise features, or complex network configurations. Choose ZeroTier if you're building a mesh network or need easy peer-to-peer connections across multiple sites. Which protocol are you running? Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and stay secure.